Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So let's begin. Today we are going to continue with our number series 161 to 165. 161 is pronounced in French as soixante-deux. Soixante-deux. Pay attention carefully how this number has been formed. So means 100. Soixante means 60. 1 means 1. Soixante-deux. A means and. 162 is pronounced in French as soixante-deux. Soixante-deux. 163 is pronounced in French as soixante-trois. Soixante-trois. 164 is pronounced in French as soixante-quatre. Soixante-quatre. 165 is pronounced in French as soixante-cinq. Soixante-cinq. So let's revise these numbers one more time. 161 soixante-deux. 162 soixante-deux. 163 soixante-trois. 164 soixante-quatre. 165 soixante-cinq. Let's revise these numbers one more time. 165, 164, 163, 162 and 161. Soixante-cinq, soixante-quatre, soixante-three, soixante-deux, soixante-et-un. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.